Hello everyone, and welcome back to CodeWithMind. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important question for aspiring programmers: which language should you learn in 2023, Python or JavaScript? With both languages being incredibly popular and widely used, it's essential to understand their strengths, use cases, and future prospects. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with Python. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's widely used in various domains such as web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. One of the key advantages of Python is its large and active community, which has developed a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. In web development, Python has frameworks like Django and Flask, which provide robust solutions for building scalable web applications. Django, for instance, is known for its batteries-included approach and excellent documentation. Python has become the de facto language for data science and machine learning. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib enable efficient data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Additionally, popular machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch are predominantly Python-based. Now, let's shift our focus to JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web and plays a crucial role in front-end and back-end development. It allows you to create interactive web pages and build powerful web applications. JavaScript is primarily used for front-end development, enabling dynamic and interactive user interfaces. Frameworks like React and Angular have gained immense popularity for building modern web applications. Additionally, JavaScript allows you to work with HTML and CSS, making it a fundamental language for web development. However, JavaScript is no longer limited to the browser. With the rise of Node.js, JavaScript can now be used for back-end development as well. Node.js provides a powerful runtime environment for running JavaScript on the server, allowing you to build scalable and high-performance web applications. When it comes to future prospects, both Python and JavaScript have promising outlooks. Python's applications in data science, machine learning, and AI are continuously expanding, making it a valuable skill in the tech industry. JavaScript, on the other hand, remains the backbone of web development and continues to evolve with new frameworks and libraries. In conclusion, the choice between Python and JavaScript depends on your interests and career goals. If you're inclined towards data science, AI, or machine learning, Python is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if you're passionate about web development and want to work on the front end or back end, JavaScript is a must-learn language. Remember, learning multiple languages can enhance your versatility as a programmer. That wraps up today's video. We hope this discussion has shed some light on the question of which language to learn in 2023, Python or JavaScript. Let us know in the comments which language you're planning to learn or if you have any further questions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.